Hi, I'm Ollie. In this video we're going to take a quick look at a 2560 pixel by 1440 pixel video on the Nexus 10. I've been asked to play this back just to give you an idea of what the GPU and CPU can handle. This is 33 megabits a second. I'll just skip forward a little bit. I've set the colour up to be as accurate as possible over the camera. Obviously it's only 1080p footage and YouTube's going to compress it quite a bit as well, so you're not ever going to get an idea of the actual kind of visual representation that this shows on the screen, but it is excellent quality. The kind of movement's flawless as well. You get the very occasional frame drop if you've got things running in the background. If there's nothing running in the background, it runs absolutely brilliantly. I'll just skip it forward a little bit. So it's some slightly faster action. It really does run well. So it's impressive. Unfortunately, this is the only clip I could find. So if you know of any other like 1600p or 1440p videos, just drop me a message or put a comment below, and I'll gladly do a video showing you how well that plays back as well. If you're interested in Nexus 10 reviews, subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you updated. Got plenty more to do. If this video has helped, if you could like it on YouTube, it'd be much appreciated. And thanks a lot for watching.